The new SSM Health Outpatient Center in St. Charles answers a growing need from our community for more convenient access to primary and specialty healthcare services. In April of 2017, we opened our third outpatient center in St. Charles County. Location was key in developing this new community healthcare resource, which is easily accessible from Interstate 70 and Convention Center Boulevard, exit 229A. Just take the roundabout to Veterans Memorial Parkway East, and the center is on your right. This 55,700 square foot facility anticipates the needs of all our patients and their loved ones, complete with an urgent care clinic and advanced imaging services. The center is home to specialty services, such as diabetes education, nutritional counseling, chronic disease management, palliative care, and anticoagulation services. You'll also discover on-site lab services, a retail pharmacy, and a cafe, complete with a shaded outdoor courtyard. Our newest outpatient center allows SSM Health to provide patient-centered care and carry on its mission. Through our exceptional healthcare services, we reveal the healing presence of God. Visit the new SSM Health Outpatient Center in St. Charles today. For more information, visit www.ssmhealth.com/stcharlesoutpatient.